Well, Madam Speaker, I rise in strong support of the Credit Union Share Insurance Fund Parity Act. This is a bill which passed out of the Financial Services Committee on a voice vote. This is bipartisan, common sense legislation. The bill is supported by the Credit Union National Association, the National Association of Federal Credit Unions, the California and Nevada Credit Union Leagues, as well as the American Bar Association. And what this bill does is to ensure that there is parity in the treatment of trust accounts covered by the National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund and by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the FDIC. The Financial Services Committee has heard the testimony of credit unions from West Virginia to Texas that, and I'm going to quote here, "There is no public policy reason for deposit insurance purposes to distinguish credit union interest on lawyer trust accounts," those are IOLTA accounts, "from those insured by the FDIC. It is essential for the NCUA's Share Insurance Fund to be treated identically in order to maintain parity between the two federal insurance programs," unquote. Specifically, the bill amends the Federal Credit Union Act to require that pass-through share insurance coverage be provided when a credit union member holds funds on behalf of a non-member in an IOLTA or other similar account. Unlike FDIC coverage, currently the National Credit Union Administration treats funds held by credit union members on behalf of those who are not federally insured credit union members as not covered by the National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund. This has created, of course, a disparity in coverage, specifically when looking at IOLTAs and prepaid debit master accounts. Part of the mission of credit unions from their very beginning has been to reach out to the community around them, especially to reach out to the underserved. Maintaining a strong commitment to the IOLTA community and removing a barrier to greater participation sustains that very mission. So I urge my colleagues to support this bill, a bill which corrects a technical disparity between the way trust accounts are federally insured at credit unions and at banks. And I look forward to the statement of the other Ed, the gentleman from Colorado, my friend, who has been a champion of this important bill. And I thank you again, Madam Speaker.